Imagine using Kling Motion Control for free and replacing any character in a video with anyone you want, like turning this rock clip into Jake Sully and doing it completely for free using AI. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it using just one tool. Go to Google and search for AppWeavy. You will see this search result like this. Click on the first option, Figma Weave. Now, if you've already logged in, that's great. But if you're logging in for the first time, you'll need to sign up first. After logging in, click on Create New File. Cool, our project is created. As you can see, I currently have 50 credits. But when you log in for the first time, you'll get 150 credits. Let me show you their plans just for knowledge. But remember, we will be creating our video for free. As you can see, in the free plan, we get 150 credits monthly, and one video costs 50 credits. I have already created 2 videos, so I'm left with only 50 credits. Now, this is the video of Rock, and I want to replace him with Jake Sully. So first, we need to take a screenshot of the video so we can get the exact background for the Jake Sully image. Take the screenshot, then go to Gemini, paste it, and upload the second image of Jake Sully. Now I'm going to use this prompt to swap the faces. I will also give you this prompt in the pinned comment. Let's wait for a few seconds. And yes, here is the image. Cool, it's going to work. Now let's go back to our video generator and click on the toolbox option. Here you'll see multiple tools for creating different kinds of things, but we only need Kling Motion Control, so search for it. Here it is. Drag and drop it onto the board. Now, as you can see, the total cost of video generation is showing 200 credits. But we need to downgrade the model so it costs only 50 credits. Select the standard model in version v2.6. I'm keeping the character orientation set to image only. Cool. Now it will work in 50 credits. Now create 2 import boxes, one for the image and one for the video. Upload the image and video that we have. Then click on the Run Model button and wait for a few minutes. I'm going to fast forward this part. Boom! Our video is ready. Let me enlarge it and play it. This is cool, isn't it? You can download it from here. So this is how you can generate free Kling Motion videos. I hope you loved this video. If yes, please comment below and subscribe to my channel.